Hello, my dear gardeners. My garden is asleep, as it should be in the middle of winter. We spent Christmas vacation in Europe, and we just came back 2 days ago to see this beautiful, quiet wonderland. Let's go and see how my garden is doing, and also I was eager to check how my roses in the garage are overwintering. We went to Europe 3 weeks ago, something like that. So I was nervous to leave my roses in the garage for such a long time without watering, although I thought maybe they would be okay because they don't need so much watering when they're in dormant stage. But nevertheless, I asked my good neighbors to water them once, and looks like they are staying in dormancy, happily waiting for the beginning of spring. So let's go and see how my garden is doing. I love gardening in the winter, especially when we have snow outside. Just look at this. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. And the sound of snow under your feet. Love it. It brings me right back into my childhood. Plants are very secure in the snow. It's actually better for them to overwinter when snow is covering all their feet. My Lady of Shalott here looks quite happy, and look at that. Oh, beautiful. Now, when the weather is this way and there are not many leaves on the trees, I can appreciate the role of evergreens in the garden, right? They form that very badly needed structure. Also, wattle additions in the garden are pretty good. Hello. Arborvitaes are standing their ground, boxwoods are covered with snow. Snow is not really hard, so I don't need to take care after evergreens and move the snow down. Oh, how beautiful everything is. Let's go and see how my boxwoods, actually one boxwood, is doing in the pot. Hypertufa containers are good. No cracks. Very happy with it. This guy looks a little bit dry. Let me add a little bit of snow there. This way, when the snow melts, all the water will go into the soil. Good, good, good. Snow is the best insulator for the plant. Okay, you know what? I'm going to shake this guy out. Boxwoods are such hardy plants. They work so hard for us in the garden. Alright, this looks much better. Katrina rose. Alright, has some snow. Beautiful. In the middle of the winter, you have to look, I guess, more closely at the beauty of nature. Look at this gentle formation of branches. Rose is already starting. Oh, what happened here? Something broke the stem. Okay. Look, Rose is already starting to form its buds for next year. I'm very happy about that. Oh, how cute this is. Look at this. Ding. Ding, ding, ding. Coreopteris will be trimmed in spring, and for now it's forming a very lovely presents in the garden here, right? All right, everything is doing good. You know what? Maybe I should shake this guy off a little bit. Oh, the snow is cold. All right, here you go, fellow. I don't want your limbs to bend. Looking very good. All the roses are sleeping happily. My wooden construction is standing here, this little, I don't know how to call it, little gazebo. Still standing strong, which is lovely. Butterfly bush didn't fall. Great. Let's go and see how my rose is doing in the garage. In our garage, we have quite a few plants overwintering, and we were rushing before we were going on vacation, so I never had a chance to collect seeds from this Verbena bonariensis. It is actually an annual. I'm planning to collect seeds from this verbena. It's vanity verbena, and it behaves much better than the regular verbena. So I'm going to collect all these seeds, which conveniently dried in the garage. They're nice and dry. And I will plant this verbena next year in the garden, right? Look at this. Salvia is still trying to grow here. Amazing. But the most important thing, I want to see how my rose is doing. Here she is. All right. Doing quite well. She was watered only once. The soil is a little bit too wet, I would say. So I'm not going to water her for another 2-3 weeks to make sure that soil will stay somewhat on the dry side. But Rose looks good. It didn't wake up from the dormancy. I defoliated her, and look, she's starting to form new buds, which is great. Lovely. Very happy about it. And that is perennial salvia, also overwintering. We came back from Europe and I received a lovely book in the mail. Look at this. It's quite a heavy book. It is Botanica's Roses, the Encyclopedia of Roses. And quite a few of roses are represented here. And by the way, it is forwarded by David Austin. Thank you, Marilyn and Jack, for sending this lovely book. For me, winter is the best time for reading because I get so busy with the garden in spring and summer that there is no time. So now I'm kind of catching up on all the educational reading and just pleasure looking through catalogs, and especially seed catalogs, right? They're coming fast and furious now. So again, thank you, Marilyn and Jack, for a wonderful book. It was a nice welcome back gift back to America from Europe. And I will see you all in my next video. Happy gardening!